Adventure awaits. Make the most of your camping trips with essential gear from Amazon. We've curated a list of top-rated products to help you conquer any outdoor challenge. Let's explore. Seeking a blend of comfort and convenience for your next camping trip? Look no further than the KingCamp Folding Camping Cot. Crafted from durable, double-layered 1000D Oxford, this cot offers superior strength, water resistance, and breathability. The innovative tilt angle and soft cotton padding at the head ensure a restful night's sleep, free from any back, neck, or shoulder discomfort. Built to last, this folding cot boasts a unique heavy-duty carbon steel tube bracket, a symmetrical triangular structure, and a 10-point ground support system. This combination guarantees even weight distribution and unwavering stability, supporting up to 265 pounds. Weighing in at just 12.5 pounds, this cot is not only sturdy, but also incredibly portable. Setting it up is a breeze. No assembly needed. It unfolds in mere seconds and packs down to a compact 41.3 by 9.1 by 6.7 inches, easily fitting in most car trunks. The included storage bag adds to its portability, making transport and storage effortless. Experience a spacious and comfortable sleep on this generously sized camping cot. Measuring 74.8 by 26.8 inches, with a head height of 18.9 inches and a foot height of 15 inches, it accommodates most individuals under 6'2". The convenient side multi-layer pockets keep essentials like sunglasses, books, phones, headphones, and water bottles within easy reach. The KingCamp Folding Camping Cot's versatility extends beyond the outdoors. It's perfect for indoor use, relaxing at the beach, taking a break at the office, or accommodating overnight guests. Upgrade your camping experience with the KingCamp Folding Camping Cot. Your ticket to a comfortable and restful night's sleep under the stars. Calling all adventurers and on-the-go individuals. Say goodbye to bulky water bottles that take up precious space in your bag. Introducing the Valourgo Collapsible Water Bottle, a game changer for anyone who loves outdoor activities or simply needs hydration on the move. This unique bottle is crafted from flexible food-grade silicone, ditching the traditional plastic and stainless steel designs. When you're done drinking, simply fold it down to a fraction of its size, saving valuable space in your backpack. It also stands upright when needed, making it easy to use wherever you are. Thanks to a special built-in valve, you'll never have to worry about leaks or spills. Plus, Valourgo is made from BPA-free, non-toxic liquid platinum silicone, ensuring it's safe for everyday use. Whether you're camping, traveling, hitting the gym, cycling, hiking, running, doing yoga, working, or studying, this versatile water bottle is the perfect companion. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness, tackling DIY projects at home, or simply facing life's unexpected twists and turns, the Rovertac Multitool is your ultimate sidekick. Packed with features like pliers, a knife, a saw, screwdrivers, a wire cutter, a bottle opener, and even a can opener, you'll be equipped to handle any situation that comes your way. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel, this multi-tool is built to last. Resistant to rust and corrosion, it's a dependable companion for years to come. Its compact size and the included durable nylon pouch ensure it's always within reach, ready to tackle anything. From camping and hiking adventures to home improvement tasks and emergency repairs, the Rovertac Multitool is a must-have for adventurers, DIY enthusiasts, and anyone who values versatility and quality. Make it an essential part of your gear and experience the confidence of being prepared for anything life throws your way. The GasOne GS8300 camp stove is the perfect blend of portability and power, ideal for campers and backpackers seeking a versatile cooking solution. Its sleek and compact design, about the size of a 32-ounce water bottle, ensures easy portability without sacrificing functionality. Despite its small footprint, the GasOne Spider Stove packs a punch with an impressive 8,000 BTU output, rivaling full-size portable ranges. Its innovative design allows it to fold down for compact storage, while its extended form provides ample support for pots and pans. Whether you're on a backpacking trip, a quick weekend getaway, or simply need a space-saving cooking option, the GasOne Spider Stove is your go-to portable kitchen. Priced at an affordable $49, this compact powerhouse is the perfect choice for outdoor enthusiasts who value both efficiency and portability. In a world that demands versatility and practicality, the dpnao Multitool is the essential travel companion. With 7 tools in a compact, lightweight design, it is perfect for tackling a variety of tasks, from camping and fishing to hiking and more. Compact and lightweight, this multi-tool is designed for easy portability. It's perfectly in your pocket, making it ideal for camping, fishing, hiking, and other outdoor activities. With 7 specialized tools, including pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, wrenches, and knives, it offers functionality in a variety of environments. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable use for both right and left-handed users. The durable nylon sheath allows for convenient belt attachment, keeping the tool within easy reach. From tightening screws to cutting wire, the dpnao Multi-Tool is a reliable companion for every task. This is a must-have item for your toolbox or outdoor adventures. In today's fast-paced world, having a versatile tool readily available can be a lifesaver. The TAC 9-in-1 Credit Card Multi-Tool is a compact metal survival card packed with 22 essential tools, on-the-go convenience. Crafted from heat-treated stainless steel, this credit card-sized multi-tool features handy tools like hex wrenches, can openers, bottle openers, eyeglass screwdrivers, and more. Whether for quick fixes, minor emergencies, or everyday tasks, this multi-tool has you covered. Not just practical, it's also an ideal gift for any occasion, from corporate functions to groomsmen gifts. Weighing less than 6 grams and TSA friendly, it's designed for convenience anywhere and anytime. From repairmen and mechanics to campers and preppers, this multi-tool caters to a wide range of needs. Its simple and straightforward design ensures ease of use for everyone, making it a must-have addition to any pocket or toolkit. One of Amazon's most popular microfiber packable towels, the Rainleaf towel is perfect for all activities, especially camping. Its exceptional absorbency and quick-drying capabilities make it a must-have. Absorbing 5 times its weight in water, it's not only efficient but also incredibly lightweight and easy to pack. Say goodbye to rough, uncomfortable towels. The Rainleaf microfiber towel offers a smooth, suede-like feel against your skin. Whether you're camping, traveling, or engaging in various activities, this towel provides a comfortable and effective solution. At only $10, the Rainleaf towel is an affordable and practical addition to your gear. The APIR 300 is a comprehensive 18-piece emergency survival kit designed for every family. This meticulously curated kit features 13 multi-purpose survival tools and 22 types of essential medical supplies, ensuring you're equipped to handle unforeseen emergencies. From a 14-in-1 hatchet to a tactical flashlight and a collapsible tent lantern, this kit has everything you need. Crafted with high-quality tactical survival tools, it includes upgraded essentials like a folding shovel, fire starter, and emergency rain poncho. Packed in a durable 1000D nylon molly bag, kit's organized layout allows for quick access to gear. With 305 pieces of emergency medical supplies including bandages, a CPR mask, and more, it's perfect for outdoor adventures or disaster preparedness. Versatile and portable, the APIR 300 is compatible with tactical vests, backpacks, or belts, making it ideal for camping, hiking, and travel. It's also a thoughtful and practical gift for individuals of all ages. Be ready for any situation with the APIR 300 Emergency Survival Kit, an indispensable tool for safety and preparedness in diverse environments. Elevate your camping experience with this essential cookware kit. Cooking outdoors is one of my favorite parts of camping with my family. Having the right gear can make all the difference. This 27-piece cookware kit will make you feel like a professional chef, even in the wilderness. With 4 pieces of cutlery, a safe food handling tool, a barbecue fork, big spoon, a spatula, butter scraper, and a complete chopping board knife set, this kit has everything you need. Plus, a manual can opener and corkscrew ensure you can enjoy a bottle of wine even when you're far from home. Forget about forgetting things. This compact and well-organized kit has everything you need for outdoor cooking, but you can focus on enjoying the experience. Introducing the Schrade SCAX 5 Tactical Hatchet, a lightweight, full Tang hatchet, perfect for emergency survival, rescue, and tactical applications. Crafted with a black powder-coated 1/4-inch thick SK5 high-carbon steel Tang, this hatchet delivers exceptional strength and durability. The 3.1-inch razor-sharp accent ensures efficient cutting performance. The glass-filled nylon fiber handle scales are securely attached with 6 steel bolts and feature a dimpled, contoured design for a solid grip. The handle's ergonomic shape and size allow you to grip the hatchet at different locations depending on the cutting task, providing versatility and control. The SCAX 5 pointed spike angle offers maximum penetration power, making it ideal for various tasks. The extended Tang through the handle doubles as a pry tool, complete with a nail pull notch. Additional features include holes in the Tang for cording options and a slot that serves as a valve rack. Protective nylon fiber belt sheath with quick access snaps allows for easy carry and storage. With an overall length of under 13 inches, the Schrade SCAX 5 is a lightweight yet robust hatchet designed for a lifetime of use. Crafted from premium materials and built to withstand the toughest conditions, this hatchet is a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or survivalist. When conditions turn hazardous, firefighters place their trust in the Survivor from STREAMLIGHT. Now, even more compelling reasons to rely on the Survivor for illumination. STREAMLIGHT has once again redefined the top right-angle flashlight on the market. The Survivor features 175 lumens and 41,000 candela, cutting through smoke and reaching nearly 450 yards on high with a runtime of 3.5 hours. On low, you can enjoy an impressive 15 hours of runtime at 60 lumens with 14,000 candela. For low-level lighting, the Moonlight mode offers continuous runtime for 20 days. The innovative optic design has also introduced the smoke cutter system, offering greater customization of the beam pattern. Both the black and amber smoke cutter plugs focus the beam for a tighter, sharper pattern, while the amber plug reduces eye fatigue caused by glare. STREAMLIGHT also improved the clip system, creating a stronger, spring-loaded clip with a built-in D-ring for easy attachment to belts and harnesses. Despite these changes, some essential features remain the same. The new rechargeable Survivor fits on existing Survivor chargers, and it's also available with an optional alkaline battery pack. The next generation Survivor from STREAMLIGHT offers a smaller lens, a stronger clip, and greater customization options while maintaining the exceptional performance you've come to trust. STREAMLIGHT is committed to excellence, and the Survivor is a testament to that commitment.